Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm showing you my full Olaplex system routine from start to finish. Oh, and just for reference, my hair is fine to medium, it's color treated, it's black, and I have some heat damage, so that means that I have some straight pieces, some curlier pieces, and some looser pieces. So I'm gonna take you step by step, show you all of the products and why I use them so that you can get results like these if you want them. So Olaplex is a bond repairing system. So that means that it doesn't just condition the hair from the outside, it conditions the hair from the inside of the shaft and from, things that break down your hair, like color treating your hair or any chemicals or any heat damage. And so because, like I said, I have heat damage to my hair, as you can tell here, like on some of my ends, I actually did this step number 3, so this is the product. I did this step 2 or 3 nights ago, I believe, so this past Saturday, and I actually saw a little bit of difference in it, and I'm just adding water to my hair because you do have to add this to damp hair, and my hair doesn't stay wet. I can't remember what porosity that describes, but my hair, it's hard to get like water in it, and it is hard to keep it, very saturated, but you do need your hair to be damp. And so I'm just adding new water to it so that it doesn't dry out before, while I'm talking. So this system is actually really good for heat damaged hair, color treated hair, things like that. So moisture is different from bond repair because moisture makes your hair feel soft, but bond repair, it makes it strong again. For me, I need both because I have color treated and heat damaged hair. So I need the strength from the Olaplex and the hydration to keep my hair feeling bouncy and not weighed down. So the directions say to wait 10 minutes or 10 plus minutes. So the longer the better, but over 45 minutes is too long and it doesn't really work, or not work, but it just stops having added benefits. So I'm probably gonna do about 20 minutes tonight. I did 45 minutes the first time, and I'm gonna do about 20 minutes tonight, and I'll be back. Okay, so after I rinse out number 3 completely, I'm gonna go in with number 4. This is the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. So I use this one because it just helps to reinforce what I just did. And unlike when I use the Way shampoo to detox my hair, this is to, like I said, reinforce the bond. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. It is softer, and it's supposed to, once all the results are complete, I've flat ironed my hair, you'll see a much more shiny. Now I haven't had trouble with shine for my hair, but it will give a nice sheen to the hair, and the bonds or the hair itself will be stronger, and it's definitely softer. So those are the instant results. My hair is naturally soft, but it feels a lot softer. Like, it feels really good. So now we're ready for the conditioning step. Normally I'll use number 5, but this time I'm trying the Olaplex Weightless Nourishing Mask. This is something new. I saw this on Instagram like about a week ago, and I decided that I would try it. This one is for fine to medium hair, which is my hair type, and it's a mask. It's a nourishing mask. It's supposed to be highly moisturizing, and it's supposed to be great for my strands to not weigh them down. It's lightweight, and from my experience, products that look like this are generally good for my hair type. Okay, so it says that it hydrates, strengthens, and seals the cuticle. So it's a volumizing and strengthening hair mask. So this is great for my hair, especially, like I said, color treated, and it is heat damaged in certain spots. So it says after shampooing, apply the mask generously to the hair, and you focus on mid-length to the ends, and you leave in 3 to 5 minutes. So we're gonna set that timer. So now for my last and final step of the Olaplex system that I have, it is the number 7 bonding oil, and this is great for a heat protectant. It will protect against degrees up to 450, and it gives great shine and tames frizz. So this is just great. It's lightweight, so it's perfect for my hair. So I just use a few drops It feels a little on the kind of like there's a crunchiness to it. It doesn't feel like there's a product on it. It feels soft here, but these parts here feel just a little on the stiffer side. So I'm wondering how that's gonna work when I actually flat iron my hair. We'll see. So I just take a few drops, like actually 2, of the oil, like that. Very, 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 very light. so here are the final results. I love them. My hair is bouncier than I don't think I've ever gotten hair this bouncy, not even on my last silk press, not even with any of the other techniques that I've used or any products that I've used. I am loving these. I said that it felt like I had like a hard cast, and throughout the process it kind of felt like I had some dryness, and I even have some static in it, but it's just so bouncy and it's so shiny. Look at that shine. Like, my hair hasn't struggled for shine, but it's not been this nice and silky like it kind of has, like when I'm flat ironing it lately, or over the last year or so. It's gotten kind of like a banana peel, like something's coating it, but this time it was just so nice and silky, just really smooth, and I love that. One thing that I really like about No.3 is that when I first used it, even today when I used it, I noticed instantly that my strands were not breaking as much. I was noticing breakage when I was wearing my hair curly and, you know, like gelled down and stuff like that. I would notice a lot of breakage. I was kind of afraid to go back to straight hair because I thought I had kind of damaged it a bit, but it's just been snapping off because these straight ends have been just so weak. Now, I have heard some people say that they've experienced with No.3 going back to curly hair, so having some heat damage, to going to, you know, back to their curls, having their life back in their curls. Now, no product is going to take your hair from where some of the damage is in my hair to back to curly, but it is strengthening it and it's making it healthy so that as it grows out, I will experience healthier curls, and so I'm able to take better care of my new growth. That's what I really love about Olaplex, is that it keeps your hair smooth and it keeps it healthier and it keeps it from snapping. I've been using Olaplex for quite some time. I purchased their No.4 and No.5, and then they sent me No.4 and 5. Then they sent me No.3, and I'm so glad they did. I kind of waited a long time to use it, but I'm so glad I finally did. I saw online the weightless conditioner and I decided to take the plunge and buy that one, and I'm so glad that I did. I will be buying that one again, and I'll continue to do this, and I will kind of rotate my routine out a little bit because I also like using Food for Soft by Matrix. It makes your hair so soft and so smooth, but then it also nourishes your scalp. Like, it makes it moisturized, and I kind of have flaky scalp. But what I noticed is the last time when I washed my hair a few days ago, I didn't have like that flaky, dry scalp buildup as quickly. So I'm impressed. I'm gonna keep watching that even with this Olaplex system, because the reason why I invested in Olaplex in the first place is the girl that cut my hair, she said to get that because my scalp was really dry. I did that and I was still experiencing some dryness, but I think this product mix is a really good product mix, and I'm gonna keep watching and seeing how that actually plays out for me. So that's my Olaplex wash day routine. If you have fine to medium hair like I do and you want to give this a try, I definitely recommend it. It is an A+. It's gonna have your hair bouncy, it's gonna have it looking fuller. And like always, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video with anyone that you love. Bye guys. Oh, and by the way, my tea is from JolieNoire. You can see it right here, and you can shop it in the link below.